Hey, to connect Realme Buds Air 5 to your Windows PC or laptop, first of all you have to place both earbuds left and the right inside this charging case. And next, you will have to find this button, you will have to click and hold it, and just wait until this small indicator on the front starts blinking white. So now you will have to release this button, keep that case open, put it this close to your laptop. Now you will have to open settings on your Windows device, then go for the left side to the Bluetooth and the devices. Now turn on Bluetooth with this switcher and click to add device. Now select Bluetooth device from this list for sure. So click with the left mouse button, and now you have to just wait until the Realme Buds Air 5 appears on the list. You have to just click on them with the left mouse button, and after a few seconds you will be connected. And that's all for this video. Right now please subscribe to my channel.